Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Shopify and confirming you have admin or staff rights. This matters because you need access to payments. Once logged in, search the order by ID or customer email. Open the order and go straight to the Payments tab. You need to know if the charge is an authorization, a captured payment, or still pending, because the process differs depending on the gateway and whether settlement has occurred. Once you know the transaction state, act decisively. If it is merely authorized and not captured, void it to prevent settlement and extra fees. If the payment is captured, choose full or partial refund in the refund section, enter the exact amount, a clear reason, and restock items if applicable. For some gateways, you also need to log into the payment provider to process or confirm the reversal. Make sure you complete the workflow by verifying Shopify shows the refund or void. Make sure the order moves to the correct final status. You should notify the customer with a receipt and a realistic timeline. Most card refunds take 1 to 10 business days to appear. Finally, reconcile your books. Record the refund ID, update inventory and fulfillment records, and adjust reports. If the refund does not appear, check the gateway dashboard and transaction logs. That one troubleshooting check solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.